Ma'am, my child is 2 years old. When she started speaking, she was speaking properly. But now, since almost a month, she finds it very difficult to speak even the words that she used to speak fluently. With so much of difficulty, she tries to utter the words that it pains to hear her when she would finish telling the word. This eventually has led her to so much of fear that she prefers to point out than speak. How to increase her confidence and make her speak? Any inputs would be of great help.
I feel you, parent. I hope you are okay. Okay. Now, as you mentioned that the child was speaking properly before, and now the child has stopped, okay, or probably she's not able to do it. Has something happened which really affected her? Did she see a movie, a horror movie, or did her friends or somebody within the four walls of the house, you were playing, or lights were put off and she felt scared? Check all these parameters first. Or did anybody in the house, कुछ धमकी जैसा दिया कि खाना नहीं खाओगे तो बाथरूम में डाल दूंगा, या लिजर्ड को दे दूंगा, या कॉकरोच को दे दूंगा, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था? प्लीज चेक करिए. ठीक है? There are multiple reasons that if a child is speaking and all of a sudden the child stops, there has to be a reason. Okay. Second thing, visit a pediatrician ASAP. Third, certainly it affects a lot. It affects the child's esteem and it affects the child's confidence also. Okay. How you as a parent can help the child? So now you can do two things. First of all, you need to consult the pediatrician. Second, you need to consult a speech therapist after a diagnosis done by the pediatrician, right? How would you as a parent support your child? First, अगर आप कोई भी हिसाब से अपने बच्चे को स्केयर कर रहे हैं या डरा रहे हैं कुछ अच्छी बात के लिए, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप कुछ चीजों के लिए डरा रहे हैं, बट अच्छी बातों के लिए, जैसे उसके खाने के लिए, जैसे उसको खेलने के लिए, जैसे उसको सुलाने के लिए, राइट, विच इज मस्ट फॉर अ चाइल्ड, बट उसको आप एक डर के साथ एसोसिएट कर दे, व्हाट्सएप बंद कर दीजिए. ठीक है? बिकॉज दैट अफेक्ट्स अ चाइल्ड्स मेंटल हेल्थ, द चाइल्ड्स एस्टीम एंड द कॉन्फिडेंस too much. And you don't know, when your child grows up, the child will not able to even stand for herself or himself because वो डरा हुआ है अंदर से या डरी हुई है अंदर से. ठीक है? So as a parent, first thing you need to do is you can stop all the stuff which you have been doing, right? Second thing, give her lots and lots of love. That doesn't mean that you praise unnecessarily, because praising multiple times or unnecessarily doesn't raise confidence. Remember that. Okay. Third important thing which you need to take care is have small goals with the child. Okay. So prepare few words and just put it up on the board or on the wall, put a chart paper and sit with your child. Make it a game sort of, right? And start speaking those words. So the child needs to observe the lip movement and accordingly teach your child. Okay. Fourth thing, what you can do is take care of the child's food, sleeping habit, playing, right? Next, ensure that the child meets few more children of her age. It's okay once a while if the child even meets children who have some speech disorder. Okay, it's fine. He or she will feel that मेरे जैसा भी कोई है. ठीक है? तो ये कर सकते हैं. Mind on your communication with your child. Ensure that आप वो Kiddish और gibberish language नहीं use कर रहे हैं. Ensure that you are giving confidence by your talks, by your gestures, by your non-verbal communication, right? And listen. Try and understand what your child wants to tell you through the verbal and non-verbal language. Both. Be there. Okay? Don't force the child to speak. Don't panic, or don't go anxious. If you go anxious, if you panic, your child will panic more, and that will certainly affect the child's confidence when the child will see the parent panic. Okay? So relax yourself. Also, Ensure that you have all the opportunities wherein you can praise the child's or help the child to raise the child's esteem. So make the child understand his or her worth. छोटी छोटी चीजों से जब वो बच्चा करता है उसको अप्रिशिएट करिए. प्रेज नहीं करना है, अप्रिशिएट करना है. There's a difference between praising and appreciating. Remember that. Praising is something wherein, wow, तूने तो बहुत अच्छा किया, तेरे जैसा तो कोई नहीं. Praising, appreciation. Wow, you did this so beautifully. I so appreciate. I would love to learn this style of doing. Right? This is appreciation, which is genuine. Praising is sometimes fake. Okay? This, as a parent, you need to take care of all this stuff. And I'm sure your child will be back to normal. But visit a pediatrician, and post the diagnosis done by the pediatrician, visit a speech therapist. But while the speech therapist works on your child, you as a parent also can do multiple things. I hope this helps. Thank you.